Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Man coming back to you again from the set. And today, bro, we got something for the good folks over at Xcool, man, who sent me out this magnetic phone charger. Yeah, what we got here, we got the 10,000 milliamp hour magnetic wireless charging power bank. Yeah, look at some more stats here. We have wireless outputs of 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, and 15 watts, which is decent for wireless charging. So we got USB inputs at 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts. So we got the max output at 20 watts. It's a lithium ion battery, bro. And again, it's 10,000 milliamps. So let's bust this thing open, man, and see what it do. In this day and age, bro, when you got so many devices, right, it's always clutch to have one of these in your bag. And yeah, I am no stranger to that. So many of these things, but none of them actually have what this one has. So, and that looks like a kickstand. Yeah, I think that's a kickstand, bro. Let's see. Man, for 10,000 milliamps, bro, it's actually it's pretty dang slim. Yes, sir. You already know what that is. MagSafe. Let's go, man. Let's see what else we got in this thing. It says accessories. If I can accessory it out the box. That's not a word, but it is what it is. I'm pretty sure it is the USB-C cable to charge this joint up. Come on. Yep. USB-C cable. Clutch. Could never have too many of those, especially with that length anyway. Okay, we got an additional MagSafe ring here, in case your device doesn't have it on there. And your usual books. So, let's see if this thing actually has some juice. We got indicator lights on here. Hope so. Oh, we do right here. Let's see if we got some juice. It don't look like we got no juice, yo. All right, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna get this thing all juiced up, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna finish this review off. See y'all in a second. Okay, now that I got this thing all juiced up and ready to slap it on the iPhone, bro. Yes, sir. We got some pretty good magnets on here. As you can see, it's charging. Let's do it again. Maybe not. All right, we'll turn the screen off. Yeah, as you can see, we got some pretty good magnets on here, man. This thing is holding that iPhone in place fairly well, actually, and it takes a bit of force to get it off of here. Now, this is not just for iPhones though, because if you have a smartphone that has the MagSafe compatible or Qi 2 magnets on there, you'll be able to charge your device on here too. I don't have that functionality on my Pixel, but as you can see, it is charging. But of course, the magnets aren't that strong on the back of the Pixel because they aren't there, so it slides right off. But you can sit this on a table and boom, it's charging. So 10,000 milliamps, man, you can't beat that. Not in this form factor, not to mention we install the kickstand on the back. So clutch win for the portable charger. Now I really ain't gonna run out of juice because the iPhone 16 Pro, pretty good battery life on that thing. And this thing right here, the OnePlus 13, bruh, battery life for days. This has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in it. This phone, well, this charging bank has 10,000 milliamps. So if I'm on a trip out in the wild, between this phone and this, yeah, it's gonna last you for a minute. So that's all I got, man, for the Xcool wireless charger, 10,000 milliamps here, man. 15 max output for wireless charging. So can you beat that? Not at all, bro. And you get the USB cable that comes with it. Not that we don't have enough of those, but you know what I mean. So check them out, man. The link will be down below in the description. I'm your boy Money Matt with another tech review that's actually very, very helpful. This thing is portable, man. Super portable. Slide it in your bag. Not to worry about running out of battery. I'm your boy. I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.